Hi, this is part 2 of our Character Animator tutorials. As we spoke about in part 1, we spoke about the phonemes. If I open the mouth, you can see I've actually put all these in now into the actual place. So each mouth sound and shape has been put in to the appropriate one. I won't make the sounds again. So we'll just leave it at neutral. And there's a place where you can get some basic, I think they call them Vizines, online from an Adobe forum. If I just show you. This is the Adobe forum. If you want to take a screenshot, you can actually go back and have a look at this yourself. But there's some example puppets. If you scroll down to the bottom, well, midway actually, there's a sample of mouse shapes here, and they do it as a PSD or Illustrator file, and it's a template with all these mouse that are visually portraying the phoneme sounds that you actually need to use in Character Animator. So there, that is, I've put them all in, otherwise you'd be sitting there forever while I'm copying all those in. Oops, I need to do that. So close the mouth. Now we're going to actually have a look at the creating a very simple eye. And this is, we're going to start with the right eye. And when we say right eye in relation to Character Animator, is the actual right eye of the character. So when you're looking at it at the screen, you may think it's the left eye, but from the character's perspective, it's the right eye. That may confuse you, but that's how Character Animator interprets it. So first of all, if I just do a round circle, sorry, I've got them all selected. Make sure we've got the right one. So right eyeball. Now I'll be able to do that. So Command D to deselect. Okay, now we're just going to do the right pupil. Remember the plus sign means that that can be animated. So it has to be left in the name conventions. So if I click there, I can get that back to black, and I might just be able to do a circle here, and it will already colour it in. So let's just do a zip and put it into the centre. Yeah, very simple, but this is just to show you how to use the actual software. And then for the blink, just you can use the rectangle tool and just do a basic line. So we'll just go through the middle. Maybe a little bit wider than that. Right, the shortcut, just don't know why you're open. The shortcut for deleting is Control Z, but in Photoshop that will only do it once. If you need to do it again, it's Control Alt Z, and then you can do it more times. And also you have the history up here. Okay, so let's do a wider rectangle to show the eye blink a little bit more emphatically. Yeah, that's better. And use the little arrow tools. There you go. So now, looks a bit odd, but you would turn the blink off. Okay. Yes. This is where we want the rectangle. Thank you very much. There you go, I'm in the right layer now. So keep an eye on that yourselves. If don't go into the wrong layer by mistake. Okay. Okay, now we can turn that off, and we have the right pupil. Yeah, right eyeball, and the right blink in all the right places. Okay, so a quick way, rather than trying to do this again, you could actually delete these layers, and then if you select these and click Alt, you can drag these into this folder, and all you need to do is literally change the name. So left, lefty no, it has to be quite specifically named. That's it. So don't forget, this is to be animated, so that has to be a plus sign left at the beginning of it, and then we'll take the copy out, and then left, and remove that. That's it, done. Okay, so then you select all of them and click Shift. You can just take them straight over, inline. That's it. So we now have the eyes with a blink, an animatable pupil because it has a plus sign on it, and eyeball. So that's all ready now to take in, plus the mouth. And the next thing we'll do, we'll take it into Character Animator, and we'll test it out how it works in the next tutorial.